Hi everyone. Good evening. I'm going to announce one of the very important news here. I'm going to start engineering mathematics, uh, mathematics, my YouTube channel. That that is going to be for Gate to or to 4, and that will form a basis, preparing your technical subject, right? This course will be on engineering mathematics to save you from the crap courses, okay, in the market, right? You may not be familiar with exact mathematics course. Might be watching here and there different kind of. So if you're from electrical engineering, if you're from electronics and communication, from instruction, so you would be able to find the intersection of all these mathematical, whatever mathematics topics are taught, right? You would be able to find the intersection. Your technical have to follow this rigorously. So I'm supposed to start engineering mathematics from coming weekends, right? In the night only, I will fix the timing from 11:30 to 12:30 every day, right? So I will teach you entire mathematics. Okay, so let me. So I'm going to write here. So I'm going to start engineering math. So in the gate examination, this subject is asked for 13 marks. Right? And this subject is not only important to get a marks like 13 marks. You have to understand this subject and you have to find intersection of all the topics whatever we are supposed to discuss as we go ahead in the lectures, right? You have to find the intersection of these topics, technical subjects as communications, electromagnetic theory, and control system, signal and system. Okay, whatever subject you will study, whatever subjects are there, as I have told that, there are four basic subjects, there are four core subject, okay, devices, analog, computing. So, this course will be very useful for you all. So I will start with linear algebra, of my favorite, one of my favorite topic. This is one of the very important topic, right? Entire engineering mathematics. And this will be useful also for people who are going for data science or AI or machine learning, right? After gate examination, right? So they might get benefited. This course will also benefit for AI or ML aspirants if they are aspiring to become data scientists in. So they might learn, might grab concept from series of like. So this session is going to be high yield session from where you'll get huge outcomes, and you will also get kind of technique, okay, how to study linear algebra, how to study in fact mathematics, and how to find the intersection of mathematics topic to technical. So I will also discuss that the very first topic I will discuss is linear algebra. I will tell you that what are the application of linear algebra you might find, okay, in your core subject, such as signal system, control system, any subject you talk about, there would be some kind of concept from linear algebra, right? Okay, so I will discuss each and every topic so that whenever you will revise those, so you shall be able to recall the mathematical thing. Your job would be very easy to revise. I think these things are lacking everywhere in India. Okay, this course is taught by the gate tutor, gate educator, but they don't talk about many more things, and they follow exactly the same content whatever is given in different textbook. So most of the aspirant, most of the students who are from different parts of the country are not able to digest book language. I'm going to skip. I'm going to take you out from the book, and I will explain you everything from the very basic manner, right? So you would be learning a lot. You would, outcome of this series is going to be huge. That's why I'm going to put high yield session for engineering mathematics, all the branches. Talk about electronics, communication, computer science, instrumentation, mechanical engineering, civil engineering for each and every branches. So I will start with linear algebra. Important for AI and ML and data science. Want to make your career in future data science or AI and machine learning. Okay, must be good at linear algebra. And next, I'm going to talk about the calculus, one of the very important topics. So I'm going to start calculus or differential equation, whatever you want, calculus. Then I will be talking about differential. So I will be restricting myself to the GATE syllabus for all the branch of engineering. So engineering mathematics I have been teaching since many years, and you will get once you will watch my sessions now. Okay, so you will find, yeah, there is something, yeah, there is something which we can learn, and I was not familiar with that. Okay, so mostly linear algebra will be taught using vector, okay, concepts, right? Vector space. I will talk about vector space. I will talk about all the time. I will be talking about linear combination of columns. I will be talking about eigenvectors, eigenvalues. So mostly, my session, my conversation on linear algebra would be around vectors only, right? I will be talking about what is basis, span, dimensions, all these things. Then I will start the concept. Okay, after linear algebra and calculus and differential equation, I will be starting vector calculus. Vector calculus, uh, which is very very important for electromagnetic to want to study electromagnetic, and if you want to grab complete marks from electromagnetic theory, okay, whether you are from electronics or electrical engineering, you or instrumentation, you should be having good foundation of vector calculus, where I'm going to talk about line integral, talk about vector del operators, like divergence, gradient, curl. In fact, I will be talking about physical significance of them as well. And we will solve also some of the PYQs, previous year questions. And I will also suggest you how you can attack on the problem. Okay? Because you see the question, you become frozen, right? You feel freeze once you see the question. You don't have an idea how to move, right? Those things I'm gonna cover. Understand? So after vector calculus, I'm start the probability and probability statistics. This topic is again very important for I and ML. It's also important for AI and ML. Future, if someone is going for AI and ML, okay, you are supposed to start your journey in artificial intelligence or machine learning, okay, or you want to become a data scientist, top company. So these are the important topics like linear algebra, calculus, probability, and that's all these topics you. In fact, for electronics engineering students, probability is one of the very important chapter where you have to learn random variable, random process, density functions, okay, marginal distribution, fine distribution. So many things are there, right? Which has huge intersection with your communication. Yeah, that is very. First of all, I will cover some of the basic school probabilities, what you have been learning since class 9th onwards, right? Class 9, class 11, 12. Then I will come to your college level where I will introduce random variable, random process. Yeah. So these are the topic, and the last topic will be complex variable, where I will talk about analytic function. I will talk about entire function. I will talk about Cauchy integral formula, Cauchy integral theorem. I will talk about CR equation, Cauchy-Riemann equation. I will talk about residues, okay, concept of residues, singularity. I will talk about Lorentz series, Taylor series, different kind of series we are going to talk about, right? So again, complex variable will be also having huge intersection with your when you talk about poles, residue, heat transforms, and all then system. Yeah, application is to follow this. Okay. Uh, so these are the topic I'm going to cover, right? I'm not going to cover numerical methods and all, right? I will be only covering linear algebra, calculus, differential equation, vector calculus, probability and stats, and complex variable. How many topics are there? Can you count? One, two, four, five, six. Okay. So how many days I'm going to give to all the topics? Let me put here number of days I'm going to. For linear algebra, I'm going to talk for 5 days. I'm going to put all these five days. You have to wear me for five days. How many days are there? One, two, four, five, six. You can say that in 30 days, your engineering mathematics will be done, and you will get around 13 marks out. So I would make also sure that you will 100% score out of out. Whatever question will be there in the gate examination, you would be able to solve all the questions. That I can 100% assure. So my plan is for 30 days. Next 30 days, since inception, since beginning, the moment we will start engineering maths. Let me give you some reference also for linear algebra. The reference which I will be following is, because every teacher follows some reference. Okay. Okay, so I will be following one of the very good book for reference. Okay. That book is reference book for linear algebra. Okay. Uh, Linear algebra by Professor Gilbert Stanford. So this book I like. I've gone through this book, right. I got to know that I must share some of the information related to algebra, because Professor Gilbert, is one of the wonderful professor of linear algebra, right? He's a professor at MIT. In fact, he has spent almost life on mathematics, linear algebra. So I will be taking, some of the reference from this book, right? That's what I am mentioning. And I will also take the help of first book. Second book I will take the help of. So these are the two books which I will be following. I mean, you can find the content on. You can download also. They are available online, and we'll practice. For practice, practice question. We will restrict ourselves to PYQ, PYQ of all branches. Enough. Only the thing is, we will solve PYQ according to our concept. Whatever we will be learning, uh, those things only I'm going to like. You will find some of the modern technique of solving questions, right? You will be finding modern technique of solving. That is one of the very good things I say. You're going to enjoy entire season. Will not regret, in fact, after spending 30 days with. Sorry, how many hours I have taken? 5 days. I'm going to, you can say, 5 hours. 5 hours in a week, 7 days in a week, or each day 1 hour for mathematics. That too from the timing for mathematics is going to be every day from 11th the night. If you want to learn maths, you can join me every day at 11:30 to 12:30. Okay, you can score out of out. Not only will you score this marks, will stand a chance to understand all other subjects wherever the application of mathematics is. You guys, primary mistake what you guys do is you always follow your basics, always study your technical subject, and before 7 days of the examination you start studying mathematics. This is what the people all the aspirant follows, and that is one of the biggest blunder you are doing. One must one must do mathematics at first, then jump into any technical subject. You must be familiar with all the concepts of engineering mathematics. Never touch any technical subjects if you're not good at engineering. You're from electronics and communication, electrical science, or any subject. Why people feel the subject is tough? Because they're not good at math. Believe me. And most of the faculty also you might have seen in the market that they are quite they teach any subject for many hours, right? That is also one of the very wrong practice, and you guys get bored. So that's what I'm also going to bring here. I'm taking time for next 6 months. I'm developing the courses. Means I'm developing the only live and notes, right? Two things I will be offering after 6 months: the live session plus, and you can say plus the test series questions. Well, these three things I will be offering after six for these major branches. Mention the branches: electrical, instrumentation, all these subject. Okay, and engineering mathematics will for all branches. In fact, I'm going to upload all entire lectures. All the lectures of engineering mathematics now in the form of live. Okay, you guys can attend live session, and you can also share these session among everyone, so you will be able to find the difference, uh, between the crap course on a math and actual course on a math. Okay, so you will be able to find the difference, because I'm not going to teach anything from any particular coaching notes, okay, what mostly people follow, right? I'm not going to talk kind of a shortcut which you guys are dependent upon. That brings, actually, whenever you go for shortcut, right, so your logical thinking goes low. Remember, you will always suppose you have to find the determinant of the matrix, and if you know the shortcut, then you will not think about that. Okay, you will always apply that shortcut, but those shortcuts has certain limitation. Any shortcut you apply has some limitation. Like we talk about virtual ground concept in op-amps, so there are some limitation also as virtual ground concept or virtual short concept, right? People don't know about that. So when they appear, the question comes into picture, they blindly appear attack on that problem and they fail to get the right answer. So engineering mathematics complete course will be given on YouTube channel, okay, and every day 1 hour. And I'm planning to finish this entire mathematics in 1 month, okay? 5 days for one subject. Okay, so I'm not going to follow any other book. Only I will be following this book, that is Linear Algebra by Professor Gilbert Strang, one of the favorite professor of mine. I have watched lecture. In fact, I have been watching his lecture many years. Now I finally understood. I have taught also His, I have taught also calculus with the help of his lecture only. Right? For calculus also, Professor Gilbert Strang, of the very good, and for differential equation. So don't worry, I will be restricting myself according to the GATE syllabus. These are just a name, but yeah, one must follow these lecture because I can simplify your life more easy way, right? Because I know whenever you see your notes, all the concept or the content which is given in the your notes taught by different renowned faculty which you consider, okay, they are all bookies language, or you can say some of the very repeated or obsolete concept, right? So I will be talking about that. In fact, I can tell you one very simple thing. In fact, I will not discuss at this moment, right? So as I gave you the roadmap of mine, how to follow my for 30 roadmap for 30 days or for engineering mathematics to obtain 13 out of 13. And in fact, I will also create one roadmap for quant, quant plus, you can say reasoning, and plus English. So if you will follow my sessions, you would be able to score out of out marks in, because I will be giving you some of the very good concept which can help you despite you don't know English, okay, despite you don't know the dictionary, okay, your vocabulary is not amazing, uh, nothing is amazing, right? But still you would be able to get complete marks from it, right? So I'm planning for this part as well. For this also I will conduct 1 hour, but let me know. So we can plan about it, right? 5 days we can go, alternatively we can take 5 days during mathematics and 2 days. Mostly I will focus on spatial right spatial reasoning, okay, because that is very important, okay, like water image, mirror image, okay, or some triangles are given, you have to count how many triangles are there. So I'm building up some of the concept for you. So, I will teach all those things, and I will give you some of the concepts. So if you are weak in aptitude, find out the reason. The reason is you have forgotten your math from 6. You want to be good at aptitude, right? Few people consider that they are good at aptitude, but in the gate they are not able to secure out of out. You have forgotten your 6th to 10th math, all your number system, everything. So you can at least download NCRT, at least take a look. It will take only 1 hour or 2 hours, right? You can revise those things, then jump into problems. You would be able to solve all the problems, right? In gate exam, number system is there, time and all those brush up, okay. In fact, geometry, mensuration, polygons, all those things people don't know, okay. Many more things are there, so I will be dealing with all these things. So this is my roadmap. 5 days I will go for mathematics. 2 days I will give you rest, or in 5 days, in fact in 1 week we will finish one chapter, that is linear algebra. Then 2 days we will go for aptitude. This is my plan, guys. So do share among everyone, and you have to come every day live my YouTube channel. Want to learn maths, and if you are crazy about your course subject, so learning math is one of the wonderful you don't have to follow anywhere if you will find my session that I can make it needless to go anywhere, just understand, learn the concept, right? So let's meet at 11:30, 12:30 every day for math, and it will be taught by me. I have told you the topics that are frequently asked, but you can share this. Three things you have to do: like and subscribe this channel so that you could get all the updates. Okay, these are the three things I want from you. Among I want you to learn and take down all the content, and you can have a chat while I will conduct this. Let's meet uh, this weekend only. I'm supposed to start by Saturday. Meet at 9. Sorry, 11:30. We'll meet. Thank you so.